Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok, Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesdays once again, and this week I'm showing you a dish from my first book, Chinese Unchopped. It's a prawn, pine nut and edamame lettuce wrap. So first off is your lettuce. Now a lot of people struggle to take one whole leaf of lettuce off the whole lettuce. So this is the trick. You take the end off and have a kettle of boiling water ready. I've got this little School of Wok strainer here, but you can use tongs or whatever you wish. And this is quite quick. Have a bowl of ice cold water next to your bowl of lettuce, and we're going to pour the hot water over the center of this lettuce. What that will do is it will open up very quickly, and I'm going to take it straight over and put it straight into the ice cold water so it doesn't cook. Here goes. It's got to be quick. 3, 2, 1. Pour, 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 pour. And then straight into the ice cold water to stop it from overcooking. And you'll see, and here's the magic, once it's had that initial opening from the hot water, you should just be able to take layer after layer off your lettuce, and that's how you create a lettuce cup. Usually the middle ones might be slightly more cooked than the other, and don't waste it, just put it on the bottom for the last person. Now if you want to serve this nice and sort of refreshing, then pop that onto a plate and into the fridge and get onto your preparation for your stir fry. So I'm going to prep my prawns, and you can either butterfly or halve them. You're going to butterfly them, just run your knife carefully along the edge like so. Then your knife can just turn that over and flatten it out slightly. You're going to halve it, similar process. Just go to the edge of your board and go straight through. Careful not to cut yourself, and the easy way is to just put your thumb down and go downwards at a slight angle. Actually, I'm going to keep this halves just so that they curl up nicely and go a little bit further. This is really simple. I've got my wok clock ready. 12 o'clock, my garlic, followed by some diced red pepper, a bowl of edamame beans, my halved prawns, my nuts, and then a little bit of spring onion to garnish. We're just going to season it with a little bit of light soy sauce and sesame oil. So everything's set up, ready to wok on. This type of stir fry is high heat all the way. And remember, 3 or 4 ways of cooling your wok down just to keep yourself and your wok hay going. All you need is a little drizzle of oil to start. Really is smoking hot. Some garlic, a couple of cloves of garlic, and straight in with your red pepper. Fold that through nicely. It doesn't take a lot of cooking. I'm going to keep the crunch of the veg. And straight over to your next, your edamame. I'm not going to add any oil to this. Just keep folding that through nicely. Get ready for your prawns. Make sure you're at really high heat. Just a drizzle of oil at this point for your prawns. Smoking hot. Your prawns can go in. Bring your veg over the top of the prawns. Press in so they sear nicely. You're really starting to smell that smokiness now. You can see that. Just keep moving that smoke around. You can see the prawns curling up nicely. At this point, a good drizzle of light soy sauce. Once over the top, and some sesame oil. Lastly, your pine nuts. Add a bit of crunch. Oh, doesn't that look good? Spring onion, I'll take a little bit now for garnish. And that's pretty much there. All that's left, my thinned out hoisin sauce for a quick dressing. So your hoisin sauce, I'm just going to thin it out slightly to get a better sort of dripping consistency for your lettuce wrap. All you need is a little water with that. Simple as that. Ready to serve up. So people often ask how you eat a lettuce wrap. Pretty simple. Take your lettuce, fill it, a little drizzle of your hoisin sauce. This is really one of my favourite snacks. I used to have this when my dad would get home on a sort of summer's day. Let's have a try. Brings me back straight to my childhood. Slight saltiness, sweet from the hoisin sauce. Oh, that's a great snack. This dish is all about allowing the ingredients to really speak for themselves. It's a simple snack or light lunch. It's the type of dish that my dad would cook after school for a very sneaky snack. Make sure you like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel.